from universe, right? No? So, what is the message or advice for you, Libra? So, kuha tayo ng 1 card for Libra. So, know your worth, no? So, sinasabi dito, Libra, no? Know your worth, no? So, kumbaga baka may mga nananamantala sa yung tao and that's why hindi mo nakikita, no? Kumbaga meron dito, no? Kung makikita mo, golden, no? So, pera, no? Kumbaga parang for some of you Libra, no? Kumbaga nasasamantala ka ng ibang tao, no? Mga Libra natin dyan. So, kumbaga ikaw to, no? So, you know your worth, no? Because you are so unique, no? Something like that kung makikita mo, no? Kumbaga, parang kumbaga ikaw tong, ang nakikita ko rito parang ikaw yung, ano ba, yung peacock ba yun? Yung parang ganito, no? But then, because you are unique, ibang klaseng peacock ka, right? No? So, you are rare, no? Something like that, no? So, you know your worth because you are not somebody, no? You are somebody, no? You are just nobody, but you are somebody, no? Something like that ng mga Libra natin, no? So, know your worth, no? So, sinasabi sa iyo dito ni universe, no? That you are this unique person, no? Na ikaw lang yan, no? At wala kang kagaya, no? Something like that, no? Kaya, kailangan ay pahalagaan mo yung sarili mo, no? Know your worth, no? Kasi yung ibang tao nakikita yan kaya nasasamantala ka because nakikita nila na you are something else, no? So you are someone else that you have authenticity that nag-iisa lang, no? Something like that na parang sabihin natin literal na 1 in a million, no? Something like that, no? So kasi nga kung makikita mo parang ikaw yung peacock but then ikaw yung nag-iisang peacock na ganito ang itsura, no? So you are very rare, no? Something like that, no? So yeah, no? So ayun yung nakikita ko dito, no, mga Libra, no? So yeah, I hope na naka-resonate kayo sa inyong reading today, no, mga Libra natin. So yeah, that's it, no, mga Libra. So maniwala ka lang because you are a very strong person, right? No, so kaya mo lahat 'yan, no. So at kakayanin mo pa whatever is ahead of you, no. So yeah, that's it, no. So God bless you and thank you for watching, Libra. So yeah, no, tignan naman natin sitwasyon ninyo, Aquarius, no. So kamusta kayo diyan, mga Aquarius natin? So